In this video, I want to talk to you about something super simple for all you detailers out there, mobile, or if you have a shop and you're not really sure how to take proper before and after photos. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video today. So let's get into it. Okay, really quick. Just so you know, YouTube is telling me about 96% of you, including yourself right now, aren't subscribed to my channel. So if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button below to help me grow. It's actually very easy to make proper before and after photos of your detail. So what you're going to do on your phone, I want you to think about what your after photos should look like, the way you want it to look. Are you going to be using 1, 2, 3 times zoom? Are you going to be using the wide angle lens? Think forward, okay? Once you think forward about how the after should look, I want you to take your phone and take your before shots just like that. Could be fully up portrait mode. It could be landscape mode. You might want to be upside down to get a different angle, right? Of those really close floor shots for your stills, okay? Now, go do your detail. And when you're done, you're going to use those before shots as a reference. So you're going to open up your photo library app and then your camera app. Use your library app of the steering wheel, the floor mats, the front quarter panel of the vehicle as your reference point. And then take your after photos the same way. Now, you're never going to be perfectly 100% accurately close to how your before shot was. Not possible. As long as you get it close enough, that's going to be fine, because whatever app you're going to be using, you can recrop or adjust the photo as such. Same thing with color or white balance or all that stuff I am not going to get into in this video. You can make those corrections, right? So if you don't remember where you stood or how you took the photo for your afters, just refer back to your library. Go back into it, and I'll kind of put up something here so you can kind of get a reference of what it could look like. And then take the photo that way. Again, just get close. So I didn't want to make this video too long. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share with everyone you know on how to create really perfect or really close to perfect before and after shots of your detail. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.